Remember Newton Crypto? That crypto exchange that seemed to be popping up everywhere a few years back? Yeah, well, things didn't exactly go according to plan. Today, we're diving deep into the dramatic downfall of Newton Crypto, exploring what went wrong and what lessons can be learned from their demise. Newton Crypto. Once a rising star in the Canadian crypto scene, they were known for their user-friendly interface, aggressive marketing campaigns, and even those catchy TV commercials. They seemed to be everywhere: billboards, social media, you couldn't escape them. But behind the glitz and glamour, a different story was unfolding. Let's rewind a bit. Newton, founded in 2017, aimed to make crypto investing accessible to the masses. They focused on simplicity, offering a streamlined platform for buying and selling popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This approach resonated with many, particularly those new to the world of crypto. Their marketing blitz was undeniably successful. They poured significant resources into advertising, creating a strong brand presence and attracting a large user base. This rapid growth, however, came with its own set of challenges. The cracks began to show. Early on, concerns surfaced regarding Newton's security practices. Reports of data breaches and security vulnerabilities raised serious questions about the safety of user funds. This, coupled with a lack of transparency around their operations, eroded trust among users. Then came the regulatory scrutiny. Canadian regulators, like the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, began to investigate Newton's activities. Concerns were raised about whether Newton was adequately complying with securities laws and regulations. This regulatory pressure put a significant strain on the company. Perhaps the most damaging blow came in 2023 when the OSC issued a cease trade order against Newton. This effectively shut down their operations in Ontario, the most populous province in Canada. This order dealt a severe blow to Newton's business, forcing them to cease trading activities for many of their users. The fallout was swift and devastating. User funds were frozen, leaving many investors unable to access their crypto holdings. This created widespread panic and anger among Newton's customer base. Many felt abandoned and betrayed by the platform they had trusted. The situation quickly spiraled out of control. Lawsuits were filed against Newton by both individual investors and the OSC. The company faced mounting legal challenges and a rapidly deteriorating financial situation. In the face of these overwhelming challenges, Newton Crypto ultimately succumbed. They filed for creditor protection, a move that essentially signaled the end of their operations. This left many investors facing significant losses and grappling with the uncertainty of recovering their funds. The downfall of Newton Crypto serves as a stark reminder of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. It highlights the importance of thorough due diligence before choosing a crypto exchange. Security first. Always prioritize security when selecting a crypto exchange. Look for platforms with robust security measures, strong track records, and a commitment to user data protection. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the exchange you choose operates within the legal and regulatory frameworks of your jurisdiction. This can help mitigate risks and protect your investments. Transparency is key. Choose platforms that are transparent about their operations, fees, and security practices. Avoid exchanges that lack clarity or are evasive about important information. Diversification matters. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your crypto holdings across multiple exchanges to minimize risk. Stay informed. Keep up to date on the latest news and developments in the crypto world. Be aware of potential risks and red flags. The Newton Crypto saga is a cautionary tale for investors. It underscores the importance of conducting thorough research and exercising caution when navigating the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. The crypto industry is constantly evolving, and new challenges and opportunities emerge regularly. It's crucial for investors to stay informed, adapt to changing market conditions, and prioritize safety and security. The downfall of Newton Crypto serves as a valuable lesson for the industry as a whole. It highlights the need for increased regulation, stronger consumer protections, and a greater focus on transparency and accountability within the crypto ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.